Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel Absolute Trade King. Time is around 9:53 a.m. and I have taken a short position in Nifty. Let's see the position. Currently the position is running at 455 rupees profit. I have bought I have sold two lots of 17,000 CE, and just to get the margin benefit I have bought FAR OTM CE 17,400 CE. The amount deployed is 75,000 for the two lots, and let's quickly look at the setup. So if you look at the setup, the market opened a gap down with sharp selling, then it took a reversal at 16,800. I was waiting for the prices to fill the gap, and here there was a strong resistance at around 16,970 to 17,000. There is a strong resistance, and also it's a round number, so I entered as soon as I saw the reversal candlestick pattern that created here. I'll keep you guys posted as to how the trade goes on. Currently it is in 570 rupees profit. Let's wait and see if the stop loss is taken out or the target gets hit. So if you quickly have a look at the option chart, let me just put the option chart right. So the entry is at 101.50 rupees. I've kept the stop loss at 118.50, and target is around 60. So it's roughly risk to reward is around 1:2.5. You can see here. So you can see the market is going as expected. Let's wait and see if it hits our target or if it hits our stop loss. I'll keep you guys posted. Welcome back guys. So the prices reversed and hit our stop loss. You can see currently we are at a loss of 1,335. If you see here, the prices formed an ascending pattern, and it broke out. Currently it retracing and going up. We'll wait for another good opportunity to entry, so we'll stick on and see if there is any good opportunity later in the day. For now we are at a loss of 1,300. Guys, I've taken another position in the same 17,000 CE. Let's look at this setup quickly. So if you look at the chart, you can see that the prices have reversed after filling the gap from this position. It is reversing, so you can see it's forming a double top pattern here. So I've entered here with a small stop loss of just about here. If you look at the option chart, quickly pull up the option chart. So the entry is at around 115, right? And if you quickly put the stop loss, it's like right. So here is our entry. I'll take a smaller stop loss of just about this swing high, maybe a 15-point stop loss, or maybe just at around 130. It will be our stop loss. I'll look for a reward of around just near 80. So it will be around 1:2.5 kind of risk to reward. So let's see if the second time if it hits our target, or if the stop loss gets taken out once again. I'll keep you guys posted. Hello guys. So the time is around 10:32 a.m. and the prices seem to be going against us for now. The current loss stands at minus 1,900. So I'll wait to see if the stop loss is taken out. I'll not exit in a haste. So let's see if it reverses back in our favor, or if it takes our stop loss. Once the stop loss is taken, I'll just quit for the day. It's just two trades for me for a day, and I don't want to over trade and lose a lot of money, because when you have to learn to take a small loss, and when there is profits you need to make larger profits to be successful as a trader. So the learning here is that learn how to take a small loss. So I'll just wait. Looks like my stop loss might be taken out, but I'll wait for it to hit my stop loss. uh, let's wait and watch. So currently it's at minus 2,400, and just few points away. I think it's already at, the prices are already touching 17,000, and the open interest also looks like the open interest looks in the favor of a bullish run now. You can see the P is steadily rising, and C seems to be slightly dipping. You can also see here that the P is slightly more than the C cell, so still it's on the positive side, but looks like it's formed a shooting star pattern here. So okay, that's good. So we'll just wait for our to see how our position fares out. I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, welcome back guys. So you can see our stop loss has been taken out, and currently we are we have taken a loss of around minus 2,650. So I'll exit from the other leg as well. Quickly exit this position. Okay, so you can see today we had a loss day. So the loss stands at minus 2,655. So it's not a problem at all, because we have to learn how to take a loss, and we should not over trade, because it only leads to revenge trading, and there's a high probability of us losing out even more money. There will definitely be positive days, but today was not one of those. We took a loss here, and that is absolutely fine. So right now I'll just stop trading for the day, and yeah, that's all I have guys. So please keep please tune in, please subscribe, and please hit the bell notification for such daily videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow.